Hello people, in this video we will be looking at another implementation of GPT-3 based models, document summarization. We'll be leveraging the capability of GPT-3 based models to summarize very long documents like proposals or any other documentations, and to provide a concise summary of what is present in the documentation. So this app is again built with Streamlit. So let's select a file from an existing set of files. So, yes, so yeah. So once the file is inside, the file will be parsed and will be sent to GPT-3 based model text Davinci, which is an LLM, and which will start parsing through the entire text using its engine, and will come up with us a brief summary based on the number of words we specify for it, and give us the crust of what's in the document. So GPT-3 based models currently take on medium to large size documents, with GPT-4 being able to process very large documents. So we can see a summary here that this proposal is from Office of Business Solutions, which is aiming to provide information extraction comparison tool using ML technology. So this is a very crisp explanation given in two paragraphs of 5-page document. No, it's not. It's more. Yeah, it's a 5-page. It's a 6-page document, and GPT-3 has given us a crisp two-paragraph summary of what is actually present in it. Thank you.